Meaning of ground cover.
Ground cover.
Ground cover.
Ground cover.
Ground cover. Ground cover refers to plants that grow low to the ground and provide coverage for soil, often used as a landscaping technique. Ground covers can be native or non-native, and may be evergreen or deciduous. Some common ground covers include creeping thyme, vinca, and ivy. Ground covers serve multiple purposes, such as improving soil quality and preventing erosion, creating a uniform appearance, and reducing the need for mulch or weed control. They can also provide habitat for beneficial insects and wildlife. Proper selection, spacing, and maintenance of ground covers can enhance the overall beauty and health of a landscape.